X or Twitter just open source their recommendation algorithm, and it's powered by Grok and the same LLM transformer architecture. Your For You page contains content from accounts you follow and out of network content discovered through ML based retrieval, and everything is ranked using Grok based transformer model. So then Grok is predicting engagement probabilities for each post. That is so interesting. So Grok is checking your engagement history, like likes, replies, shares, to determine what to show you. Check out my School to Become AI Researcher link below. For each post, it will calculate a bunch of probabilities. So probability that you favorite, reply, repost, or even block the author, mute author, all of those probabilities. And then it will just sum up all of the probabilities, but it will weight each probability based on how important it is. Then there is a bunch of filtering, like removing duplicate posts, age filter, etc. So when this is being processed by the transformer, the candidate posts, all of the posts are only attending to the user's context. The posts don't attend to each other, which would make that the result is dependent on which random posts are in the context, which shouldn't be happening. It just depends on the user's context. Both retrieval and ranking use multiple hash functions for embedding lookup. This is actually similar to DeepSeek's. I mean, it's probably not similar, but I think you can store some kind of memory for the transformer to use with this hashing and lookup. So this is what DeepSeek latest paper does. So this algorithm will be updated every couple of weeks, and it's scalable, parallelizable, extensible, etc. The architecture seems like standard transformer with rope, RMS norm. There is so little innovation in all of these architectures and companies. I'm actually surprised how little innovation. I guess all of the companies are just focusing on scaling, making like writing kernels for a bunch of GPUs and making training parallelizable. This is the absolute classic transformer. So we have dense block, we have decoder layer. If you've been learning architecture of large language models, this is the exact same thing. This is the exact, everything is exactly same. Transformer here. Check the school below. We have lessons, mentorships, community, and see you in the next video.